Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can automate a process to cause less error while creating or updating any record in contact table manually. For that, let's create a record. So let's suppose a user comes here and write down any record's name like, and here we can clearly see that the user should write down any name, start with the uppercase and then continue with the lower cases, but in this case he might have done this kind of mistake. And but I when he clicks somewhere here, where else like here, so here we can see that it's auto updated itself. We can clearly see that the first letter has been converted to uppercase and all the other letters are converted to lowercase. So how can we achieve it in dynamic 365 using JavaScript? I'm going to show you in this video. Let us start from the scratch. This is my Dynamic 365 environment and I am at my sales hub application. Let's open contact table and create a new record here. So let's suppose a user comes here and try to create a new record and fill the form like this and save this record. So here we can see that a user may make some mistake while creating record. He could have write down first name with this small letter which look inappropriate. So we could make automation which would work like if a user write down any first name with small letters, and when he move from this column to any other column, then the first letter of this column become the capital one. So how can we achieve it? I'm going to show you in this video. So for that I'm going to write down a JavaScript. So first open Visual Studio Code, add file here, start writing our function. Now we'll retrieve the form context from the execution context. Get the first name field from the form using get attribute. Logical name of first name. Retrieve the current value entered in the first name. Now we'll check if the field has a value. Now we'll remove any leading or trailing spaces from the name. Now we convert the first letter to uppercase and the rest to lowercase. Now check if the formatted name is different from the original value. Updates the first field with the correctly formatted name. Now we'll save this file and implement a new web resource. For that, go to your Power Apps. Here I want to add a new JavaScript code in on change of the first name field. I will provide the video link how you can do it. I have already added here. Now open event. As we can see that in the event handler, I have added this function name as execution context passes first parameter. You can see that our JavaScript is here. Now it's been published. Go to your form, do a hard refresh. And if user come here, write down anything and click somewhere else. So here we can see that now the first letter has been changed to uppercase. So now just do one more thing for checking. Make this capital and click somewhere else again. So as we can see that all the other letters apart from the first letter, they are coming in lower cases. So that's it from our video. If you like our content, please do like and subscribe and share your comment below. Thank you.